Hey, it's Rachel Rofe, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how capitalizing on trends can bring in lots and lots of sales. Because while I generally love to do evergreen products that sell kind of year round, sometimes it can be pretty awesome to jump in on a trend. Now, my whole kind of strategy here with the mini income streams is to try things out, even if you fail 98% of the time, and that's the mindset I'm going into things with, like, maybe we'll fail, that's fine. But if some of them can hit it big, that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to go through some examples here of both trends that I have gotten great results with, and then also trends that I've seen that other people have done well, including like real sales figures that I see on Amazon. So let's dig in with some examples. The first one, I'm going to take you back to 2020 during the pandemic. This was like one of the first times that I tried to do some kind of pop culture trend and got really great results. So at the time, there was a popular show called Tiger King. And back then, there were a lot of people saying that the woman on the show, Carol, murdered her husband. I don't know if she did or she didn't, but I threw up this super simple mug design. I had one that said Carol did it, and then I had one that says Carol did not do it. Kind of feel bad for making it in retrospect, but you can imagine this one sold a lot more. So that one made a lot of sales. I'll tell you exactly how much soon. Then I also made a super simple design on the shirt. I said Carol did it, got a free image of a tiger from one of the sites that I go over in my training, and then popped that on there. I did probably all in all about 5 minutes worth of work, and that 5 minutes ended up generating $1,727 in revenue, which works out to $20,724 an hour. Obviously, they're not always like that, but would be awesome, huh? So that's one. Now, I'm going to show you some more examples of how these things go. You might be wondering copyrights and trademarks and things like this. I never really use popular names. Carol Did It was not trademarked. Obviously, you do what you want to do. I know that sometimes people will use kind of workarounds, like maybe, again, this is not legal advice, but maybe popular like Team Jess as an example for people who like Gilmore Girls. Can't say Gilmore Girls, but Team Jess is an example, right? Or Team Logan as another. Like, these aren't things that are trademarked. You can see here, show there's no trademark issues there. Again, not legal advice. Now, let me show you some more. There's always kind of cool things going on. So I used this tool to show you some results here. Now, this is not political whatsoever. I just want you to know that trends or things that are popular in the news can make a lot of sales. So I'm using an extension here to give an estimate of monthly sales for some of these different mugs that you could easily make mini income streams with. There's so much divisiveness in the news, right? So to liberals, conservatives, blah, blah. But something just like liberal tears, again, no political commentary here, is generating, let me make this a little bit bigger, according to this plugin, $2,039 in monthly revenue, because this is popular, right? This Trump mug, it says, "You're a great friend, probably the best ever. Believe me, no one knows friends like I do, blah, blah, blah." I've still never been able to figure out if these mugs are pro or anti-Trump. However, the point is, this one, because politics are big, $18,910 in monthly revenue. He's not even president anymore, but it's still something that people talk about a lot. And you could see here, like Trump 2024, this one's selling $3,058 in estimated monthly revenue. So there's one, "You're My Person" was popularized by, I guess, Grey's Anatomy. And so that phrase, I don't think that's trademarked. Again, I'm not giving any legal advice, but just that phrase alone, you can see here, $1,328 in monthly revenue. And there's lots of people that make sales with it. This one, $95 monthly revenue. Not bad for a mini income stream, just a couple words. Here's another one, $314 estimated revenue. This one, $479 estimated revenue. So there's lots of different trends like that. There's also things you can go in, like someone I taught the system to a while ago, she made, I'm not saying this is typical, but she made almost $10,000 in 2 days because someone on a news conference had a specific phrase. So she put the phrase on a mug. She was picked up by news stations, all these things, and just crushed it from making this and just capitalizing on what was popular. So there's all different ways you can find trends. There's different sites and things, but it can go awesome. And even it can be smaller things. For example, inside my mini income streams, people were talking about there was an eclipse a couple of years ago, and people just threw up some super mini income stream designs, easy ones. And you can see here, like John says, Monday and Tuesday resulted in orders for 15 items, all eclipse commemorative. Pam says 14 more eclipse mugs today. Lisa, 5 solar eclipse commemorative mugs. Bob, I'm surprised to find an order for 4 eclipse shot glasses this morning. Adam, sold an eclipse mug. There's got to be some people just making loads of sales if I can slap together 2 designs and make a sale the same day. Now I just need more of these little events. So it can be awesome when you're creating these mini income streams and just throwing things out there with the different trends. Chef's kiss. And you really just want to kind of keep testing new items, because each mini income stream that you're putting out there, it's big potential. Again, like I said before, you can expect to fail 98% of the time, but if you're throwing up these pretty simple designs, and I'm going to show you how you can do it really simply in the workshop that I've got. There's going to be a link around this video. You can sign up with that. You create these things, and then you have these like assets that can keep potentially making sales for months, years, etc. over and over, and you just throw them up. So if you'd like to learn more how you can create these designs simply, different ways where you can find different things to sell, and all of this goodness, like I said, there will be a link right around this video. Just sign up for that workshop, and I hope to see you there.